7 Ways to Make Her Miss You Like Crazy. Hello viewers, welcome back to Brainy Facts. Men are always seeking for methods to make their girlfriends and themselves feel unique, whether it's on the first date or later in the relationship. Men adore it when their female partners miss them and think about them. Men only want their ladies to miss them terribly when they feel their women are moving apart due to uncontrollable circumstances. If you're one of those men, these tips will undoubtedly assist you in making her long for you. 1. Don't be available all of the time. It is essential to have a life apart from your romantic adventures. Your life revolves around your family, friends, career, hobbies, and ambitions. Sacrificing all of those things and people in order to chase someone would only harm you. It also hurts your chances of finding love. The ambiguity of it all is part of the early romanticism. It gives the idea that you don't have a life outside of her if you're always accessible for them. It's unappealing, and it detracts from the excitement of the hunt. 2. Be mysterious. Don't give her everything at once. It's fine to keep some facts to yourself, especially if you want them to be more interested in you. Make sure you only say things that will make her want to be with you, not the other way around. She's into you if she's willing to go the extra mile to discover more about you. 3. Don't talk to her on the phone for hours. The phone is useful for making plans, dealing with emergencies, and maintaining long-distance relationships, but it will never be able to replace face-to-face communication. Guys frequently become trapped on the phone with someone and end up convincing a girl not to like them. Over the phone, things don't always translate as well as they do in person. Keep your calls brief and to the point. Don't annoy her by constantly calling and texting her. They won't be able to miss you if this is the case. They won't feel the need to contact you on their own if you constantly alert them to your existence. You'll be labeled a clingy person as a result. 4. A moment to remember. Giving her the time of her life is the most effective approach to make her miss you. Take her on exciting dates, cook her delectable foods, or even drive her insane with your sex prowess. Sing to her or take her somewhere unexpected. Having a good time with you will show her that you're not someone to bet lose. 5. Physically separate yourself from her for a while. It's natural to have a strong desire to be in person with someone, but you can only feel that desire when you aren't physically with them. If you've had back-to-back dates with someone, take a day or two off before scheduling the following one. This gives you and your partner the opportunity to reflect on the time you've just spent together. Alternatively, if you made a mistake, the time apart will allow those unpleasant sentiments to subside and give you another chance to do things correctly. 6. Don't be desperate. It's natural that you don't want to lose your woman, but acting desperate is the last thing you should do if you want her to miss you. Wait a minute or two before calling her back, or act unconcerned. Keep the notch to a bare minimum, since if it grows too high, your girlfriend may become offended. 7. Spend some time by yourself. Don't insist on spending all of your time with her. It's a good idea to be away from her for a few days or perhaps a week or two. That will give her plenty of opportunity to miss you terribly. You will be able to concentrate on your own personal development as a result of this. Well, that's all for today's video. Hit like, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to be the first to know whenever we posted another important video like this. Thanks for watching.